Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M23 and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down, tap on General Management, so ceramic click, select Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and go into Theme. Now pick one of those themes by tapping on the best one for you. I will go with Solid Dark and click Home button. As you can see, theme of my device has changed, but you can always go into Play Store, click on the search bar and type in Gboard. Then install this free app by Google Developer and open it. Now select Enable in Settings, click on the switcher next to Gboard, select OK in the pop-up and tap on the back button. Then click on Select Input Method, select Gboard over here as well and tap on Done. Now close Gboard app and go into Settings. Then scroll down, tap on General Management. Over here, click on Gboard Settings and finally click on Theme. Over here, when you scroll down, you can tap on Show More and see all available ones. Pick the best one for you by tapping on it. Then click on the switcher next to keyboards to switch them on or off and tap on Apply. But you can also go into the same settings. This time though, click on this plus icon under My Themes and select the photo that you wish to apply. I will go with that one. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you need to select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Following that, click on the switcher next to keyboards and choose Apply. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!